Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Normally for long distance adventure riding, you prioritize luggage capacity, right? In my case, I have the saddlebags, I have a duffel bag, I have extra other bags because the priority at that point is to carry a lot of luggage. Well, not really a lot, but what you're gonna use. For off-road adventure riding though, it's a different ballgame. This is what I mean. When doing off-road adventure riding, you want to prioritize lightweight and really only carrying the things that you need. In my case, I've had to get rid of a lot of other things that I use. For instance, I use a top box for my daily running in the town. I can't use that off-road, it's just gonna shake and drop off. I've had to get rid of my saddlebags. I have the Rhino Walk saddlebags. They're not here. I also have a duffel bag that I use for long distance adventure riding. I also can't carry that unless really I need it, but I don't. But here are a few things that I actually absolutely need. I have the side bags. For this, I use to carry tools that I need, and also on the other side, I use to carry rain gear. That's really just it. And now to my favorite accessory, the tank bag. I use this to carry my phone, my camera, the microphones, and chargers, sometimes snacks, really any little thing that I might need on the go. It also frees up my pockets to carry nothing really. You see, really all you need for off-road adventure riding is just the essentials. Leave the stuff that you don't need at home. You go use them when you get back home. Anyway, let's get out of here. Woo!